This video is to introduce you to the Lectro range of stair climbers, for which we are the sole UK and Ireland dealership. The model on view today is the 6512 and it has a load capacity of 680 kg. Before I show you a practical demonstration, I'd like to show you some of the features on this machine. You will notice on this test model we have the strap bar, and the strap bars have a particularly attractive feature in which they can be positioned anywhere on the lifting channel at the operator's discretion and with complete respect to the shape of the load. And you will notice that no tools required, purely the operator's physical ability. If I turn the machine around, some additional features are the battery pack. It is conceivable over a long flight of stairs that you may run short of power. Lectro took a thought of this by twisting two thumb clips. The operator is able to detach the battery in moments and replace it with a fully charged unit. And then he just repeats and returns the process of latching on, plugging in, and the machine is ready to go. With this battery pack, there's also incorporated a safety cutout switch. In the event that the machine is overloaded or there's a short circuit, it will cut out. You'll notice also at the top of this machine there are two prominent sturdy hand grips. This gives the operator a good firm grip on the machine and the load. In addition to these two hand grips, we have two side grips, which enables, on occasions where warranted, two operators will work one on either side of the machine. Coming down the machine, we have a quickly detachable and usable torque bar, which we can pull the machine back to give you additional leverage with a particularly heavy loads. You return the hook bar there, pull the catch, and it's replaced and stored away safely. Coming down from the hook bar, we have the caster attachment. This attachment is a sturdy appliance which enables the operator to deploy two caster units which are neoprene tyres, and by doing this we can tip the load back in complete safety and the operator can move over large distances with little effort. So it's particularly useful on the occasion where you can offload from a lorry, say for example, go down the street and approach the building where you're going to be doing the work. So return to the standing position. The Liftruck has a number of additional attachments. One of those is the toe plate extension, which gives you the facility to extend the toe plate outwards. Particularly useful in the case of when you have a deep load. We have two sizes, a TPA 24 and a TPA 30. Another useful attachment, particularly useful in soft ground situations or places where you don't mark the floor, we have the all-terrain wheel set, which you will notice has two sturdy blue tyres and is quickly attached and detached from the machine. Once detached, you can tip back and go any ground you want to with complete ease. And you will note the speed with which I can attach and detach this equipment. Particularly useful when time is of the essence. Right, so some of those features are applied on this test load. We have two straps which have been mounted in relation to the load, one on the upper section and one on the lower section. Now, in order to get things moving, I need to brake back the load. Now, under normal circumstances, it's quite an effort to do so. But by raising the wheel by 6 inches, I apply the same force with total ease. And you will notice I've achieved what we call the balance point. And the balance point is such that when you let go of the load, it tries to stand itself up. And at which point, now this is so easy to move, it's not true. And you will note this is 100 kg. Okay, so now I'm ready to approach the stairs with my load and stair climber. Once once I've positioned the machine at the base of the stairs, I tilt forward and then I raise the wheels to engage them on the flight of stairs. Once initial engagement has been made with the stairs, the operator then simply raises the load to the first step. So I'll take the weight, push the button and bring the load in. Now you'll notice once we've started the sequence, if for any reason we need to stop a fire alarm or a lunch break, whatever, we can stop with total safety because the load and the machine are totally secure on the stairs. Okay, so we'll now carry on with the sequence to climb the stairs. We now achieve getting our load up the stair with total safety for the operator and the load, and the main key feature is that the operator is safely above the load, nobody below the load, so everything is achieved with total respect for safety.